Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Quran Voice presentation. Today I will present Quran Voice in Muslim Developers YouTube channel. Today I will just talk about the application itself, how you can contribute, and anyone who can at least try it and also try to use it, or even if you cannot use it or try it, at least share it with others. Let's start with a problem. Anyone as like non native Arabic speaker, he will face or she will face a problem with reciting Quran. And this is like a problem for anyone. As at least I can say about my experience, I am an Arabic native speaker. Don't face this problem. So I didn't understand this problem until I traveled outside and I saw that there is a lot of people who having a lot of problem with trying to recite Quran. That's why when I saw this problem, I said we have to help them as a native Arabic speaker or anyone who can recite Quran correctly. This is like the main idea for the solution. The solution is very simple. We need an application that can at least make sure that you will recite Quran correctly. As you with ChatGPT and all AI talk now, AI depends on data set. And when we say data set, it's you need a huge data set to make sure that you will model work correctly. One of the things that ChatGPT is working with is the internet itself. They're taking the whole internet and trying to put it in a way that it will be like a big data set for you. In Quran, it's little bit different because the data is little bit limited if we can think about it. What I meant here, in a way, we need the data that can be labeled. And when I say labeled data, for example, we have an ayah and you say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So if I said Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this is correct. I said it correctly. It will be annotated as correct. Imagine that we'll say Alhamdu or I said Alhamdu Rabbil Alameen. I forget another a word or something. This is not correct. That's why we need people to listen to these ayat and say that it's okay, this is correct or this is not correct. This is how like crowdsourcing working. What I will ask you guys is to go to the link in the description. I will go to the platform and show you how it works. But this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to get a lot of recitation for Quran and also get a lot of people to verify this, if it's correct or not. And after that, this data can be the like the diamond that we will build the system and on top of it. It will be the data set that will just make sure that this application in the future will work like just an application. You recite and it will tell you if it's correct or not. Currently, what we are trying to do is the big data set that we want. And after it, this data set will be also publicly free. Anyone can download it, anyone can work with it, and anyone can just start using it on the top, build on the top of it any application. Voice, as you see, it's a crowdsourcing annotation platform. The main idea is we are trying to label this recitation, and we want to make sure that this one will be correctly. As you see, another problem that I can talk about it is the problem with, for example, like practicing Islam outside of any non-Arabic country. It seems that for any, at least from my side, I can say that it's very easy, but it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. It's a problem that a lot of people is still facing it. That's why there is a lot of apps that created by the team in Quran Voice. One of them is called Namaz app, and this application is also another application that put another how can I say, it's also connected with Quran Voice. I will ask anyone who want to also learn salah prayer, go to this app, see it. There is a lot of things for any non-Arabic speaker or any non-Arabic native speaker can take from these applications and also try to help these teams that they're working on this application. Till now, we have 4,000 recitation audios, and we have 1,000 reciter between male and female. It's almost half and half. This is what we collect till now, but also we need people to help us to verify. We are also exist in 18 countries. As you see, this is mostly in the countries that do not have a lot of not non-native Arabic speaker. That's we As you see, the distribution is 18 countries. You can see Russia, Europe, and also US, and some in Africa. Most of these countries that do not have native speakers or native speakers that they're willing to help in recitation for Quran for the Muslim there. That's why this application will help a lot of people. As you see, this is Quran Voice. The application is very simple. We have button. I will just show you on live. This is the platform. Let me also talk about it a little bit. As you see, the main job for you is to listen, verify if it's correct or not, or there's something missing. As you see, let's try it now. So here is it. Here I can, I'm listening to correct ayah, but this is not the ayah that I'm reading it. وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. But I heard another ayah. There is a problem. You can say that there is a problem. And when you say there is a problem, like the data will be also verified by another reciters, and it will be included inside the data set, the big data set. As you see, Quran Voice will help a lot of people, and also it will build the core for the technology, at least for the people who want to recite Quran correctly. They don't need us. They don't need native speakers. They don't need anyone to listen. Just need this application. This application will help a lot of people, and everything as you see in this application will be free. The dataset will be free. Everything will be in a GitHub, and a GitHub repo. Anyone can use it. I will ask you guys just to sign up. Try to take 3-4 minutes from your time and try to help us to make this data set. This is the team. What I can say about these guys, they did a great job with this platform. And this platform, as I mentioned, these guys, they're doing this not because of money. This is not a company. This is just a platform to help the people to, or help the Muslim that they cannot, let's say, find people to correct their recitation. These guys are helping them to in the future. I will just say that if you can help, just go to Quran Voice, sign up, and try to help to build this database. As you see, there's an Android app, iOS, and web. This is the web I opened. You can just choose any platform that you can use and sign up, help them to make this data set, and help them to make the future of recitation in Quran. Thank you, guys.